Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to delete all your videos in your playlist at once. So keep your playlist open, copy this code here. I will paste the code in the command section description later on. Now go to your developer engine. For this, click here, More Tools, Developer Tools. So make sure to be at the console, right click, clear console, and paste your code. Delete this part here and enter the name of your playlist. Here in my case, it's Watch Later. And click enter. That's all. You see all my videos were deleted. Sometimes it can be possible that this doesn't work, so you simply need to repeat this procedure. I hope I could help you. Bye.